Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make macaroni salad dessert. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring you have cooked elbow macaroni and a variety of sweet fruits ready. Next, prepare a rich, creamy dressing that will bind everything together beautifully. Then, gently combine all these elements in a large bowl. Finally, chill your creation for a few hours to allow the flavors to meld perfectly before serving. Let's start by cooking 1 cup of elbow macaroni according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente. Once cooked, drain it well and rinse thoroughly with cold water to stop the cooking process and remove excess starch. While the macaroni cools, dice about 1 cup of your favorite mixed fruits, like pineapple, peaches, or even mandarin oranges, into small, uniform pieces. This ensures a delightful bite every time. Now for the heart of our dessert, the creamy dressing. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 can of sweetened condensed milk until smooth. Then, gradually incorporate 1 cup of all-purpose cream, mixing until fully combined. For an extra touch of richness and a subtle tang, stir in 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Continue to whisk until your dressing is perfectly smooth and luscious. With your macaroni cooled and fruit diced, it's time to bring everything together. Gently fold the cooked elbow macaroni into your creamy dressing, ensuring every piece is coated. Next, add your colorful diced fruits to the mixture. Stir everything carefully until all ingredients are evenly distributed. Finally, cover the bowl and refrigerate your macaroni salad dessert for at least 2 hours, allowing the flavors to fully develop and chill.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.